Hello viewers, have a good day. I am thinking you are okay and you have more pleasant time at the home. Here today I will start the chapter 5 worksheet number 1. In the worksheet number 1, in the exercise 1, you will see that there is many calculation method there I given. Try to solve it at the home, and afterward if you try to solve it, afterward I will see the method and show me. That will be your homework, the exercise number 1. Homework is exercise number 1. Now I'll do the exercise number 2, where you have to do the theoretical mathematics and apply the mathematical sentence method. Here the price of a Hilsa fish is taka 300. We'll write here the price of a Hilsa equal to TK 300, and the price of a pair of pigeon, the price of a pair of means 2 pigeon equal to TK 200. Now they are asking to total price of 1 Hilsa fish and 1 pigeon. Before it I have to find out the price of 1 pigeon by dividing this 200 by 2. So I can develop a mathematical sentence. The total price of a Hilsa and a pigeon equal to 300 plus 200 divided by 2, because here I have to find out the price of a pigeon by dividing the 200 by 2. I have to rub this because I have no more space here, so I am going up. 300 should be like that. 200 divided by 2 is 100. If you don't understand, I will do the division here. 2 ones are 2. I have to take this 0 down. I have to divide this 0 by 0. 2 zeros are 0. Another 0 left here. 2 zeros are 0. So the result is 100. 300 plus 100 is 400 taka. And the answer is 400 taka. Now I have to continue to solve the number B. Number B. Where is it in? Price of 5 pencils equal to TK 60. And they are asking to find out the price of 9 pencils. Here you can easily ask, ma'am, how can I find out the price of 9 pencils without finding out the price of 1 pencil? So, if you want to find out the price of 1 pencil, you have to divide 60 by 5. Then, whatever you find out, you can multiply with that the 9. So, I can develop a mathematical sentence here. The price of 9 pencils equal to 60 divided by 5, and whatever I find, I have to multiply 9. 60 divided by 5, I have to do the division here. Sorry, 60. 5 ones are 5. There is 1. I have to take this 0 down. 5 twos are 10. So the price of one pencil is 12. I have to multiply it with the 9. 12 into 9. Already many more memorize the 12 table that I am asking, and give the exam also in the classroom. But whoever not memorize, please memorize it. It is needed. If you don't memorize, do the simply multiplication. 9 twos are 18. 8 is there. 1 is going up. 9 ones are 9. Plus 1 is 10. 108 taka. That means the price of 9 pencil is 108 taka. Now I am going to solve the creative question. Number 1. You can shortly, it is written CQ also. Creative question or CQ. Number 1. Solution. What the information given here? I have to write here first. Price of 4 hens and 3 ducks equal to TK 639. Price of 1 duck equal to TK 85. Now the A number question is find out the price of 3 ducks. So it is easy. You have to multiply 85 with the 3. So therefore, or you can write now the price of 3 ducks equal to TK 85 into 3. 85 into 3. 3 5s are 15. 1 is going up. 3 is a 24 plus 1 is 25. That is TK 255. That is the answer of A number. You can write the answer here. A N S TK 255. That means you know the price of 3 ducks. Now I have to continue the number B. Number B is they are asking find out the price of 4 hens. That means at the first you know the price of 3 hens and 4 hens and 3 ducks together. Now you know the 3 ducks price. If you subtract this 3 ducks price from the total price of 4 hens and 3 ducks, you can easily find out the price of 4 hens. Now the price of 4 hens equal to TK 639. That is the total price of 4 hens and 3 ducks minus 255. That is the price of 3 ducks. I have to subtract that from the total price. I have to subtract the 3 ducks price. Do this one in the rough work space. 639 minus 255. 9 minus 5 is 4. 3 I make to 13. It was 5. 13 minus 5 is 8. 5 minus 2 is 3. TK 380. Answer is TK 384. Number C. What is the price of 1 hen? Now find out. Now price of 1 hen. I have to subtract the 384 by 4 because I know the price of 4 hens. 384 divided, I have to, not the subtraction, sorry, I have to divide the 300, this is the price of 4 hens, by the 4. Then easily I can find out the price of 1 hen. So that do the division on the rough word. 84. 3 cannot be divided by 4, I have to take 38. We know 4 9s are 36. I have, after doing subtraction, I can find out the 2 here. I have to take the next 4 down. We know the number is 24. I can divide that by 4 6 are 24. Then the price of 1 is 96 taka. So we know the price of 1 duck and 1 hen, because 1 duck price is given 85, and now I find out the price of 1 hen is 96 taka. Now I have to do the rest of the question number C, that is called find the price of 3 hens and 2 ducks. Therefore, the price of 3 hens and 2 ducks equal to, we know the price of 1 hen, that is 96 multiplied by 3. I have to add this number with the 2 ducks number, but 2 ducks price I don't know. I have to multiply 85 with 2. 85, you will ask, where is the madam 85 coming? Because 85 is the price of 1 duck. So now do the rough work on your right side. (96) multiplied by 3. 3 6 are 18. 1 is going up. 3 9s are 27 plus 1 is 28. 288 plus 85 multiplied by 2. 2 5s are 10. 1 is going up. 2 8s are 16 plus 1 is 17. 170. I have to add this 288 plus 170. 8 is here. 8 plus 7 is 15. 1 is going up. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. That is TK 458. There is 2 answer in the C number, that is 96 taka, and another is 458 taka. So try to do this at the home. If you don't understand anything, please call me. One student asking, what is the mathematical sentence? Mathematical sentence is nothing to develop the number together using the one or more than one basic operation of the mathematics. Basic operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication. That here, look, if anyone asks this to find out 3 hens and 2 ducks, you will find out first the price of 3 hens, then find out the price of 2 ducks, then you will do addition. That is 3 steps I have to do. I do these 3 steps in one sentence. That is called mathematical sentences. Now come to the point of homework. Homework is exercise number 1 of chapter 5 worksheet 1. What will include just afterward giving this video on your WhatsApp.